Today's topic is very interesting because it is about the difference between the e-commerce fulfillment versus dropshipping model. Today will be my first time touching on dropshipping. It is because I find out that there are too many misconceptions people have towards the e-commerce fulfillments. Whenever people find out they will be the one who fulfill the orders, they turn off by e-commerce model without knowing the pro and the cons behind the business model. So today, I'm here to clear the air, all right? In today's sharing, you will walk away with the following. The first thing is, what is e-commerce fulfillment? Second, what is dropshipping? Third, the pro and the cons of e-commerce fulfillment and dropshipping. Lastly, I will give you my verdict. If you are quite new to the e-commerce, I wish to share with you two very good videos to start off with. You could find it in the link below. The first one is the misconceptions associated with e-commerce business, and the second video is e-commerce business model explained. So I strongly recommend you to watch this video before you get a better understanding about commerce. If you are first time seeing me, hi, I'm Vernette. I'm the e-commerce entrepreneur and e-commerce coach, coaching my students on how to kickstart e-commerce journeys and how to grow their business. Let's get started. What is e-commerce fulfillment? Fulfillment is a process of fulfill orders in your e-commerce store and ship the correct products to your customer on time. So can you imagine this process? A customer visit your online store, add a bottle of shampoo to the shopping cart and click the buy button. That online order will transmit into a pending order in your store. So someone you assign will pick and pack and ship the order. So who is the someone? It could be yourself. It could be your teammate. It could be your warehouse staff. It could be your fulfillment center that you assign to. For example, if you are doing Amazon business, there's this Amazon fulfillment service. It is not necessary you must be the one who pack, pick, and ship the order. As for all of my students who start their online store with Shopee logistic partner will come to their house to pick up their package and ship for them, right? So this is the business model you can do as a home-based business. You do not need to carry the parcel and queue at the post office. That's outdated model, right? So I hope my explanation to you is clear. Next, what is dropshipping? So when you use a dropshipping business model, you do not have to purchase the inventory until your customer place the order. So using shampoo as an example again, you might want to add a couple of new shampoo types to your online store. You do not want to tie up all your cash in the inventory, especially you are not sure how well the shampoo will sell. Your shampoo supplier agree to produce the shampoo and keep a small amount on hand with him in his warehouse. Whenever a customer places an order of shampoo, you will inform the supplier to ship the bottles of shampoo directly to your customers. So this is a very basic dropshipping fulfillment model. No fulfillment center, just you, your customer, and your supplier. That's all. Who will pack, who will ship the order for you? Your supplier. So by now, you already have a very clear understanding of both e-commerce fulfillment and drop shipping. Many of you may start wondering, oh, there's no brainer. Drop shipping is much more hassle-free, right? Wait, allow me to share with you the pro and the cons before I share with you my plan for you. Keep on watching. Pro and the cons of the e-commerce fulfillment center versus the drop shipping. If you think dropshipping sounds great and wonder why others would want to fulfill order any other way, like e-commerce fulfillments, dropshipping has the advantage of require small cash investment upfront. This is a very great option for people who have very tight capital startup. As you are getting your e-commerce site off the ground, no hassle of handling the inventory and the storage. But more established e-commerce businesses, they might use dropshipping model to test new products. That way, you won't be ended up storing 3 pallets of shampoo that no one is buying. So there are also downsides of dropshipping. Yes, you save on upfront investment, but your profit margin on each of the product is much smaller. So for example, if you fulfill the order by e-commerce fulfillments, your profit margin is 50%. Now, if you use dropship fulfillment, your profit margin can easily cut half to 25% because they are third party, which is your supplier that you need to pay for the service of picking up the orders, pack the orders, ship the orders on behalf of you. In addition of that, you have less control over the shipping speed, over the cost, and over the quality of the fulfillment process. So for example, if you are using e-commerce fulfillment center, perhaps your e-commerce fulfillment center might located in a place whereby it can ship to most of your customer with 2 days. Whereas if you are using dropship supplier to fulfill your order, it might take much longer shipping times and it could be up to 2 weeks. So you can compare 2 days and 2 weeks now. All right. With e-commerce fulfillment model, you do need to invest more cash upfront. Your reward, however, is much higher profit margin. Once you understand the demand of your products, you can adjust your inventory to maximize the profit while minimize the amount of money tied up your stock. So you won't have a problem of cash flow problem. In addition, traditional e-commerce fulfillments give you more control over the whole fulfillment process. You can customize your packaging and you can choose from a broader range of fulfillment service to offer to your customers. So should you start with e-commerce fulfillment or should you start with dropship? My verdict, well, there's no single answer as it is totally depends on the types of business you wish to pursue from an e-commerce standpoint. If you have limited initial capital, limited e-commerce knowledge, start with dropship to test which product has a huge market demands. Once you have a handful of winning products, open a niche store to sell those winning products using your own branding. If you have a capital to spend and already know which product is in demand, for e-commerce fulfillment straight away, all right, to have 100% control over your whole e-commerce business in terms of product quality, product branding, customer service, shipping speed. After all, 5-star customers experience is what you are looking for in today's e-commerce world. And I have a course teaching e-commerce newbie on how to kickstart e-commerce using Shopee. And if it is interested you, the link is below. Good luck. That's my sharing for today. And as I mentioned, I would like to paste the 2 video and the free Shopee course in the comment. Thank you for watching.